Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight. My name is David Sung, and I'm the president of Nicola Wealth Management, and I'd like to welcome all of you to our 2016 Market Outlook. I'd like to spend, before I turn it over to our speakers, I'd like to spend just a few minutes sharing with you a little bit about who Nicola Wealth Management is and what it is that we do. So, NWM is a wealth management firm serving the needs of high-income earning and high-net-worth families, foundations, and institutions across Canada. Now, we're really proud of the team that we've built, especially this year. We've been able to collectively share in our success together as Deloitte's this year awarded us as one of Canada's 50 best managed companies, something we're certainly very proud of. And along with that, we've also been acknowledged as a great place for people to work, as Waterstone has awarded us as being one of Canada's 10 most admired corporate cultures. Founded in 1994, we now manage approximately $4 billion in assets for our clients across the country. We have now just a little over 130 staff and partners with us in our 4 locations across Canada, including our office in Toronto. Now, as our clients who are here this evening, you know, our comprehensive list of services includes what we call true diversification, going beyond stocks and bonds. And for us, that means including exposure for our clients to hard asset commercial grade real estate, exposure to private equity, private debt, mortgages, and other alternatives. We also, as our clients here know, that our services also includes what we call integrated financial planning. And that means providing interconnected planning that helps our clients maximize their personal financial situation. And that means not just investments, but it means providing advice in the areas of insurance, estate planning, charitable giving and philanthropy, business succession as well as other legacy matters. Now, our clients here tonight also know that one of our aims and our goals of our investment philosophy is to provide consistent and stable returns. It's our belief that it's the sophisticated combination of these core offerings of true diversification, planning, and consistent and stable returns that provides our clients, their families, and their businesses with peace of mind to help ease the financial burden and allows them to spend their time and their energy focusing on their careers, their families, and their passions. And while all of this may seem like a simple solution to the complex needs that our clients have, it's not always as simple as it may seem. So please, we're going to take a look, indulge me in a brief example. How many of you here have seen this image before? Raise your hands. All right, don't shout out the answer. What do you see when you look at this image? You see a Dalmatian dog drinking water out of a puddle on the ground. Now, for those of you who had seen this image before and the rest of you who've just looked at this now, you can't unsee what I've just told you see. It's hardwired into your brain now. And in many ways, the investment industry provides a really great example of this. For years, the retail investment industry has told us that diversification means putting 60% of your assets in publicly traded stocks, 40% of your assets in publicly traded fixed income, and that provides diversification. When we are consistently told something over and over again, it's very difficult to unwire our thinking and see something other than what we're told. However, if we do unwire and manage to unplug, then it allows us to perhaps see that there might be a better alternative and perhaps a different way to approach true diversification. This is what we're consistently told that we should see. Now, there's some other very good examples where they approach it a different way. Take the Ontario Teachers' Pension Plan and the Harvard University Endowment Fund. These are multi-billion-dollar funds where they have absolutely, bar none, exceptional track records of providing consistent and stable returns, and they've pioneered for themselves their own definitions of what they feel diversification is, adding in hard asset real estate, private equity, private debt, and other alternatives. Now, in many ways, our speakers here this evening are going to touch on these themes of looking at things in a different way. John Nicola and Rob Adel are going to touch on 2015. They are going to have us look forward at what lies ahead for the rest of 2016 and beyond. They're going to touch on the impact on the most recent federal budget and what that may have on our personal financial situation. And Rob, in particular, will spend some time going over with us the central bank influence and what that central bank influences and what they may be having on our public markets. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to our first speaker, Rob Adel, our Chief Investment Officer.